Okay, building women, you know that one of the things I worry about with you all is whether you're eating healthy. And one of the things, especially my 8th graders know, is that it is hard to get enough breakfast to keep a person full. So one of the things I'm going to be trying while we're stuck at home is, can I find some easy to make, healthy breakfast foods that you would actually be willing to eat because they don't taste too healthy. In order to see if they taste too healthy, I will be utilizing my 15-year-old as a taste tester because he does not like healthy food. He likes hot Cheetos, just like most of the building women. So this is test number 1. It is homemade granola bars with nuts. So step 1 for the granola bars is to get your pan ready. So you want to take, if you've got them, some parchment paper. If you don't, some plastic wrap or aluminum foil, and lay it in your 9-inch square pan. Lay in 2 pieces so they cross each other in the middle. That way, when the bars are all set, you'll be able to use this as like a lever to pick the whole thing up. So, we've measured the peanut butter until it goes exactly to that 1 cup mark on the measuring cup. And we understand, right, that 1 plus half equals 1 1/2. So we're now going to take the maple syrup and pour it until it goes up to the 1 1/2 cup mark. So now in our measuring cup, we've got peanut butter and maple syrup and vanilla. And the goal is to mix it until it's really well mixed. So I'm going to try with this whisk and see how far I get. I'm going to put the camera down because I can't whisk and hold it at the same time, and I don't want to try. So I found myself a cameraman. Thank you, Mr. McManus. The whisk is kind of hard, but it is starting to come together. So it's a good arm workout. You can let Mr. Adams know that. The other tricky part is stuff gets stuck inside the whisk, so I'm going to kind of poke at it with my rubber scraper here. See if I can get that out. But, all right, we'll finish that in a minute. You can see that what I was able to mix together all looks now like one smooth mixture. It's darker than the peanut butter was and much, much lighter than the maple syrup was. You can probably achieve that with a fork if you don't have a whisk. So I've got my 1 3/4 cups of quick cooking oats in the bowl. I'm adding my 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, my 1 1/3 cup of nuts, and my teaspoon of cinnamon. Then, just going to give that all a nice mix. See that everything kind of blends up nicely so that no part of it is almond or all right. So it looks kind of the same. And now I'm going to, with difficulty, scoop all the peanut butter mixture into the middle of the oats. Also adding in 2/3 cups mini chocolate chips. You can see that everything is mixed evenly, so there is peanut butter all over all of it and not too much in any one area. So once you put it in the pan, kind of use your rubber scraper to flatten it all down. Press on it so it's all pushed together, because that's what's going to make it able to be turned into bars.
Looks great.
And you should have something that looks about like that. this sit in the fridge for a couple hours. Now I've lifted it out of the pan, which was easy to do because it was wrapped in this plastic wrap, so that looked great. Now I'm gonna slice it up and give it to one of my taste testers. Let's see how it goes. Be honest.
Okay.
Yeah? Is it too healthy?
No, can't even tell.
Would you eat it?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks. Okay. Given that my taste testers approved the peanut butter chocolate chip no-cook granola bars, I will bring some in when we get back to school to get your all's opinion, but I encourage you to try making them at home. You can use any kind of nut and any kind of nut butter or sun butter if you're allergic, and obviously then leave out the nuts. Stay tuned though, because I will also be posting a couple other recipes to see if we could find some more options for healthy, affordable, filling breakfasts for starving 8th grade girls. Take care, building women.